Hello my viewers and welcome back to another unboxing, viewing and testing. And today I have this Ansmann creative LED decoration drawing board with 10 pictures included, micro USB, included batteries, 3 years warranty, include 6 colored pencils, RGB LEDs, 10 0.2 watts. So let's open the box and find out more about this product and how we can use it. Nice! Manual, if you want to read, is your choice, but stay with me, I'm gonna find out all about this product. "20 different pictures. Merry Christmas! Happy Easter! Hello winter! Spring is in the air! Cocktails! Cats, naps and snacks! Happy birthday! Happy Halloween! It's summertime! Autumn is coming! Happy New Year's! Rabbit, dog and more animals. ABCD, letters, small numbers. Nice! Colored pencils. White, red, yellow, green, orange and light blue. Cleaning cloth and the micro USB cable 30 centimeters. Here we have the decorative drawing board. Remove protective film in both sides. Transparent. The battery is included. We have 3 2A batteries. Remove this and enable the batteries. Oh, there it is, the on-off switch. Press and hold, off. Silicone pad at the base, it will stay very secure anywhere. The micro USB connection, you can power it on from a 5-volt power adapter, laptop, even desktop, from your power bank. I would like to see if it works only with the power bank. Let's remove the batteries and turn it on. Yep, it's working. Okay, nice. It is your choice how you want to use this unit, batteries or with external power. That goes here. Press these 2 buttons left and right. Okay. And lock it. If you want to remove, just pull these 2 buttons and you can remove the cover plastic glass. Press and it will lock. So easy. Wow! and randomly is changing colors. I like it. Different pattern. And press and hold off. And of course you can start drawing. We have some drawing patterns here at the back. And copy. Okay, let's choose the red first. Nice! Now remove the paper. Okay. Turn on. It looks nice. Changing color randomly. Or you can do your own drawing, it doesn't matter. Now to remove, I think we need only water. You can use this clean cloth or just water. Yep, correct. Very easy to remove. Or you can do another one. I like it. So many cool things you can do. Have fun! Use your power bank, power adapter with the batteries. It is portable, you can use it anywhere. Play at your free time. With these drawing designs, you can just copy them, leave it wherever you want, and it will decorate your living room, bedroom. You can even use it as a stand light. No worries. Christmas is on the way. Draw something for Christmas. You can have it near your Christmas tree and enjoy. Thank you for watching, my viewers. Until my next video, don't forget to subscribe, share this video, you never know who will need it, and hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.